Hello all, my name is Pawan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to perform custom formatting in MS Excel. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all the updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into this. So let's see how to perform custom format in MS Excel. Okay, so this is the Excel file, guys, like where we are going to perform how to perform a custom formatting. Okay, so here you can see the scores of a different students in a different subjects. Okay, so let's assume that the passing mark for the each student to pass in that particular subject is greater than or equal to 50. For example, if the student has scored minimum 50 marks in that particular subject, then he would be considered as passed in that particular subject. And if the student has scored less than 50, then he would be considered as a fail in that particular subject. So in order to perform this, like in order to identify whether the student is passed in that particular subject or not, we perform the custom formatting. So by doing the custom formatting, we can directly identify that whether the student is passed or not. So we can also identify it by looking each score of the different student, but that's a time consuming and it's a very tedious task. So we'll perform one of the simple operation just by looking at that particular student. Just by looking at this file, like we can directly decide whether the student is passed or not in that particular subject. So now press Ctrl 1 in order to perform the custom formatting. So let's indicate that if the student is passed, then we'll indicate by green color, and if the student is not passed in that particular subject, we indicate it by red color. Okay, so let's type green if the student is passed, green, and if the student has scored minimum 50 marks, greater than or equal to 50, then the student is passed in that particular subject. And if the student is scored less than 50, then the student is failed in that particular subject. Okay, so green indicates the student is passed, and if the student is scored greater than or equal to 50, and if the student is failed if he has scored less than 50. Okay, so now press OK. Now you can see that particular student is passed because he has scored greater than or equal to 50. Okay, so if we want to perform for all the student, now select for all the rows and columns for which you want to perform whether the student is passed or not. Select all the rows and columns. Now press Ctrl 1, click on. Now again type the same formula and now press OK. So now you can see all the students who are all passed, it is indicated with pass and with a green color, and if the student is failed, then it's indicated with red and it's mentioned as fail. Okay, this is how we perform the custom formatting, guys. So I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.